All right, gang. All right, gang. So we're back for another video, gang. All right, gang. We seen price get all the way up to 2020. Okay, $2,020. Gold has went all the way up to $2,020. Wow. Now let's just recap on what happened. Go back to the 15. We see our Fibonacci on here. Let's break this move down. You can see price, made an information double top pattern. Notice price will make a double top pattern, okay, at the top of an uptrend. Gang, so we see price, gang, let's go back. We see price go all the way up. We seen price go all the way up to 2000 and 2020, $2,000, $2,020. Let's go back over here though. Let's just recap what happened. Like I was saying, we noticed price will make a what? A double top pattern. Gang. Price will make a double top pattern. Will go up, go back down, go up again, and create a double top pattern. And then head right down to what? 27 extension, 1965. So gang, that would happen at the top of an uptrend. At the bottom of an uptrend, we will see what? A double bottom pattern. Price will do what? It'll go down, head back up, go down again, head back up. It will consolidate at what? 0.618 Fibonacci, 0.786 Fibonacci before heading up. We have to be super, super patient with this market. We have to be extremely, extremely patient with this market. We just can't get in this market without having a strategy. Okay, gang, we'll talk more about that. All right, so this what happened, gang, price is all the way up to 2000. This is March 6th, 2022, and it makes this double top pattern. March 7th, 2022, it has all the way down to 27 extension from take profit 17. This was an all-time high, March 6th, March 7th, 2002. Dollars was an all-time high. You could have entered right here at 2001, made an even start pattern, bearish engulfing pattern, and we see what black candlesticks pushing all the way down to take profit 1427 extension 1965, and you could have made a couple thousand, a couple hundred for the day. Gang. So then, the market heads back up. March 7th, after it heads back down, it will retest back up. It retests all the way back up to what? 0.786 Fibonacci, right to 0.786 Fibonacci before making a higher low. It's still March 7th, 2022. And then eventually starting the market back up. March 7th, 2022, going into March 8th, 2022. This is around 12 o'clock, March 8th, 2022. As soon as 12 o'clock hit, this is agent session. This is agent session. Late agent session. We see around 12:30, 12 o'clock. We see what price head all the way up March 8th, 2022. All the way up. It heads all the way up to 2020, It heads all the way up to 2020, gang. So gang, price heads all the way back up to take profit 17. This is March 7th. Then it heads back down to take profit, 16, take profit 15, back down to 1981. Before, like I said, March 8th, 2022. As soon as 12 o'clock hit, this is 12 o'clock, 12:15, 12:30, 1 o'clock, right? We see price, push past back up, past take profit 16, goes to take profit 17, and goes, even higher. Now we at 2005, take profit 17, 2005. Then we go to take profit 18, heads all the way to take profit 18. And even goes all the way past take profit 19. This is take profit 19. This is take profit 17 right here. Goes to take profit 17 at 1995. Take profit 17. Boom. Goes all the way up to take profit 18. 2005 goes all the way up to take profit 19. 2011. 2010. Then goes all the way up to take profit 20. 2020. Take profit 20 is 2020. Gang, and now price is even going higher than that. It just shot past take profit 2020, and it's going all the way up, still going up. The all-time high for gold is at 2075. So we're seeing gold trying to get past 2075 is the all-time high, gang. Gang, the all-time high is 2075. gold is heading up. It's it's at 2031 right now. Gang. So gang. Like I said, you could have entered once price made a higher low. Back down. Once price makes a higher low, back down March 7th, going to March 8th. You could have entered here March 7th, March 8th. It could have entered here March 8th, March 7th, and rolled it from 1985 from take profit 16 all the way up to take profit 20, 2020. Then price, braced this trend line. You could have rolled this back down when price broke this trend line back down from 2020 all the way back down to 2000. Like, it's a lot of things you could have did in this game. The price, makes a higher high. Once price goes all the way up here to 2020, it will retest back down and make what? A structure, making a higher high, higher low, eventually consolidating, and then, eventually heading back up to take profit, past take profit 19, all the way up to take profit 20, 2020, and now gold went all the way up to 2031, 2030. So $2,030. We seen gold go at the all-time high is $2,075. Could have drawn Fibonacci from here to here. From March 8th, when the market started opening back up, and we could have drew it all the way up to all the way up to here, right? All the way up here, boom. Price goes to zero. Have Fibonacci here, boom. Price goes all the way up to zero, boom, stops at zero, hits back down, starts consolidating at what? 0.5 Fibonacci. Sometimes price won't consolidate. So again, we see price what? Consolidating at 0.5, 0.32. Sometimes price, even went down to 0.618. Sometimes price won't go all the way down to 0.786 Fibonacci. It goes to 0.618 Fibonacci, makes a higher low at 0.618. You could have got in at 2,000, right at 2,000 and entered for a trade, right? You could have entered right here, gang, right at 0.618 Fibonacci, right at 2,000, right? Entered. Once price, made a higher low at 0.618 Fibonacci, goes all the way up to zero, retests back down to 0.618. You could have entered right here. You could have entered a trade right here, gang. Boom, right at 0.618 Fibonacci, makes a higher high back up to 0.382 Fibonacci before what? Making a higher low back down to 0.5 Fibonacci, and consolidating that here, around what, 4 o'clock? Because this move happened. Could have gotten this move around 3 o'clock London session. Price did, after going all the way up to 2020, it did retest back down to 2000, and you could have sold this back down, and got this trade and then enter for another trade, as the overall trend was still an uptrend. So once price got down to 0.618, you could have entered, and price, this is around 4:15, 5:30, 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock. We didn't see price start really moving, pushing up until about 8 o'clock, New York session. New York session is now 9:30, 9:46. We see this move 9:30, price push always back up to 27 extension, back up to 2030, 2031. Yo, ain't he mad? Yo, I didn't ever see this. What's a bitch nigga? What are you so mad for? What's a bitch? You, why he mad? Yo, why this nigga so mad? Oh ass nigga, bro. There. Yo, this shit tweaking. This shit tweaking. This shit tweaking. This shit tweaking. It never tweak like this. Cause you a bitch ass nigga. And we know. You a hoe ass nigga. Oh my god, it's a bitch ass nigga.